Okay guys, this has been my everyday go-to look. It's simple. It took me like what, 12 minutes to do. Keep watching if you'd like to see how I created this look. Thank you.
Oh my. Córrele, mijo, córrele. Sorry you guys had to see me this way. First, I started off moisturizing my skin with argan oil. Argan oil is good for the face. It promotes a smoother, calmer complexion, and it also helps treat several different types of acne. And also helps with my dry skin that I get sometimes. So I am hydrating, moisturizing my skin with the argan oil first. Alright, then I'm going to start off with my L'Oreal Radiant Serum Foundation. It's in the color Amber Beige. It has antioxidants, SPF of 50. I love this stuff. Using a beauty blender. Dab and blend, girl. Dab and blend. Alright, actually that's not a beauty blender. The sponge that I'm using is from Real Techniques. I believe they call it the Miracle Finish Sponge, and I got that one at I believe Walgreens. But yeah, that foundation, I love it. I like how it leaves a lightweight finish. It's not too heavy either, yet does its job. It covers any blemishes or scarring that you might have. It just feels awesome. I like that foundation. Okay, lip sync battle here. Alright, next I'm going to use my Marc Jacobs bronzer in the color Tantric. Just slightly, not too aggressively, putting on my bronzer to contour the face a little bit. Then I grabbed a flat condensed brush to go ahead and contour my nose just very little, starting from my brow down to the tip of my nose, just to give it a nice little bronzy contoured look. Next, I'm going to go ahead and get my loose setting powder and dab it under my eyes. I'm using the Dermablend loose setting powder in the original. I also like contouring the little cheekbones a bit with it. just so that my face doesn't look too shiny or get a bit oily throughout the day. Girl. Didn't notice I put too much. I guess I went ahead and did the whole face there. And then with the loose brush here, this brush I'm using I guess the brand is Face Secrets. And it's usually used for bronzer, but I like using it to spread out my loose powder all over my face. I guess I'm spreading it some more. I decided to do a voiceover on this video because I don't know, I don't like talking too much when I'm doing my makeup. I'll practice on that. Okay, here I'm putting blush. I'm using the LA Colors in the color Berry Plum. I like putting the blush above the bronzer on my cheeks and then bringing it down to where my cheekbones were. Here I'm adding some highlight. I'm using the NYX Duo Chromatic Illuminating Powder in the color, let's see, Synthetica. It's like an orangey, peachy color. It's really pretty. I'm applying it slightly above the blush, the tip of my nose, and then the top lip where the Cupid's bow is on the lip. Next I'm putting Revlon Color Stay Satin Ink Lip Gloss in the color You Go To. No, Your Go To. Girl. Sorry, the printing's really small on this lip gloss. Oh. Alright, alright, alright. Next, I believe. Okay, the eyeshadow. Here I'm using a mini palette from, let's see, BH Cosmetics. And the palette is called Moroccan Sunset. It has 16 shadows in it, and I'm only going to use 2. I'm using the light brown that they have and putting it on the crease line with a poofy eyeshadow brush, just going back and forth on the crease line. And once I hit a good blending, I blend the brush, doing the same movements back and forth but going up towards the brow, and that helps spread and blend that color out all over the eyelid. And now I get the darker brown that I see on the palette. There's no colors, the name of the colors, but I get the darkest brown on this palette and do the same thing but with a more condensed eyeshadow brush, and do the same movements back and forth on the crease. Alright, next I grab a smaller eyeshadow brush, really flat, and I grab one of the shimmery, like a bronzy shimmery that this palette has, and apply it on my bottom waterline. And then with the first brush that I used, the light brown, go ahead and blend that color out. Sorry, I look all possessed and shit. Didn't know I do that with my eyes. Alright. Then I go ahead and grab the mascara, which here I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Curvitude. And it's in the color black. I like this mascara because the brush it has, it's a silicone brush. And it helps lift your lashes up without using an eyelash curler. Alright, and this is the look. This is the look I do. This is my everyday go-to when I'm on the rush. Thanks for watching, guys.